Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best workbenches for your workshop or garage. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, a solid workbench is essential for organization, efficiency, and getting the job done right. We'll review the top models, their features, and what makes each one stand out. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your workspace, let's get started. Number 5. WORX Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. When it comes to versatile and efficient work surfaces, the WORX Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse stands out as a top choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This innovative workbench is not just a stationary piece of equipment, it's designed to be portable and adaptable, making it perfect for a variety of tasks around the home or job site. The WORX Pegasus is more than just a workbench. It's a folding work table that you can easily transport wherever you need extra support. Setting it up is a breeze. Just pop it open, and when you're done, it folds down compactly for easy storage. Its lightweight design means you can carry it comfortably under your arm, making it a practical solution for on-the-go projects. One of the standout features of the Pegasus is its 2-in-1 functionality. You can seamlessly transition between a sturdy workbench and a reliable sawhorse, allowing you to tackle projects of any size without hassle. Whether you're using it as a portable workbench or a sawhorse, the WORX Pegasus provides impressive load-bearing capabilities. It can support up to 300 pounds as a workbench and an astonishing 1,000 pounds when used as a sawhorse. This means you can confidently work with bulky lumber, heavy equipment, and other substantial materials without worry. Need more workspace? The WORX Pegasus allows you to easily expand your setup. You can connect another work support table, such as the sidekick or clamping sawhorse, to create a larger work area. Number 4. Seville Classics UltraGraphite Woodtop Workbench on Wheels. When it comes to finding a sturdy and versatile workspace, the Seville Classics UltraGraphite Woodtop Workbench on Wheels is an exceptional choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its combination of a solid wood top and a well-designed mobile frame, this workbench provides the perfect foundation for various projects. The workbench features a 1-inch thick solid wood surface that is not only durable, but also finished with a scratch-resistant polyurethane coating. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench. For anyone involved in carpentry, woodworking, or DIY projects, having a reliable workbench is essential. The BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench, WM45A, stands out as an iconic option that combines durability, versatility, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and hobbyists. The BLACK+DECKER Workmate is more than just a workbench. It serves as a classic portable folding work table and vise. Whether you're engaged in carpentry, woodworking, DIY projects, or automotive work, this workbench provides a stable and functional platform to tackle a variety of tasks. With a heavy-gauge steel frame and a laminated bamboo worktop, this workbench boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 550 pounds. This rugged stability ensures that you can work with confidence, knowing that the bench can handle heavy materials and tools without compromising safety. The workbench features adjustable jaws for secure clamping, vertical clamping capabilities, and 4 adjustable swivel pegs. These features allow for easy handling of irregularly shaped objects, providing versatility that makes it easier to work on a variety of projects. Number 2. Olympia Tools MultiPurpose Workbench. If you're looking for a versatile and functional workspace, the Olympia Tools MultiPurpose Workbench 82802 offers a great blend of features that cater to various projects. Whether you're tackling home improvement tasks, assembly, or light industrial work, this workbench is designed to meet your needs. The Olympia Tools Multipurpose Workbench is perfect for your next project, featuring a pegboard for tool storage to keep your tools organized and accessible. The workbench also includes a 13-watt fluorescent cabinet light, ensuring that you have adequate illumination for your tasks, even in dimly lit areas. This workbench is designed with 2 slide drawers for additional storage, allowing you to keep small items organized and within reach. Furthermore, it comes equipped with a built-in 3-outlet grounded power strip, making it convenient to power your tools and devices directly from your workspace. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the Olympia workbench is built to last. It features a durable enamel finish that helps protect against wear and tear. Number 1. VEVOR Adjustable Height Workbench. The VEVOR Workbench is a versatile addition to any workspace, whether a garage, workshop, office, or home setting. It combines sturdy construction with a variety of practical features, making it ideal for various applications. This review will explore its key features, benefits, and potential downsides to give you a comprehensive understanding of this workbench. Stable and durable construction. The workbench features a heavy-duty carbon steel frame with multiple crossbars enhancing its stability. The rubber wood top is 1.2 inches thick, offering a durable surface resistant to wear and tear. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.